Good evening to all of you. Welcome to our YouTube channel Library Science with Rakesh Meena sir and our team. So guys, today we are going to start our video lecture series number 7. Let's start now. This video was helpful for these given examinations. So read carefully and watch now. The first question is the theories relating to motivations are option number A, Fayol theory, option number B, Maslow theory, option number C, Drucker theory, option number D, McGregor theory X and theory Y. So choose the correct option guys. Option number A is the 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Option number B is the 1, 3 and 4 are correct. Option number C is the 2 and 4 are correct. Option number D is the 2, 3, 4 are correct. So right answer of this question option number C. Option number C is the 2 and 4 are correct answer. So guys, we will watch 2 and 4. Maslow theory and theory X and theory Y is relating to motivation. It is a very common question for management. In library science. Next question is the test series question number 2. Second question is which of the following are library network? Option first is the internet, second is the Delnet, third is NICNet and fourth is the OCLC. The options are option number A 1 and 2 are correct. Option number B 2 and 4 are correct. Option number C 1 and 3 are correct. Option number D 1 and 4 are correct. Tick the correct answer guys quickly. The correct answer of this question guys option number B. Option number B is the 2 and 4. 2 is the Delnet and 4th is the OCLC. We are discussing few points of this question. The library networks is Delnet. Delnet is operation since January 1988 and it was registered in Society Act July 1992 and Delnet is sponsored by NISAT and Delnet it was located in New Delhi. Okay guys, and OCLC is a online computer learning center. It was founded 6th July 1967 and its headquarters of Dublin. Next question is the national level association for special libraries are first is the Association for Information Management SLIB, Society for Information Science SIS, Chartered Institute of Library and Information Professionals SILIP, and fourth is the Indian Association of Special Libraries and Information Center ISLIC. The options are first and third are correct. Option number B is the second and third are correct. Option number C is the first and fourth are correct, and option number D is the third and fourth are correct. The correct answer of this question guys Option number C. C is the first and fourth are correct. First is the Association for Information Management, and fourth is the Indian Association of Special Library and Information Center. We are discussing a few points of this question, guys. ASLIB was founded in the year of 1924 and its headquarters of London, UK. SIS was founded in the year of 1975 and its headquarters New Delhi. Third is the CILIP, Chartered Institute of Library and Information Professionals. It was founded in the year of 2002 and its headquarters of UK. And fourth is the Indian Association of Special Libraries and Information Centers, ISLIC. It was founded in the year of 3rd September 1955. Okay guys, and headquarters is the Kolkata. Next question is the question number 4th. The following are used to as a tools for vocabulary control in indexing system. First is the dictionary, second is the thesaurus, third is the list of subject headings, and fourth is the ISBD. The options are first and two are correct. Option number B is first and third are correct. Option number C is the second and third are correct. Option number D is the second and fourth are correct answer. So choose the quickly, write and pick the answer. The right answer of this question, guys, option number C. Option number C is the second and third are correct. The thesaurus and list of subject headings. We are discuss the ISBD full form. The ISBD full form is the International Standard Bibliographic Descriptions, and it was managed and organized by IFLA. IFLA was also known name. It is a famous name of library science. Next question is the question number 5. The following states in India do not have library legislation. First is the Bihar, second is the Manipur, third is the Meghalaya, and fourth is the Maharashtra. The options are first and two are correct. The option number B is the second and third are correct. Option number C is the first and third are correct, and option number D is the second and fourth are correct. Tick the correct answer, guys. The correct answer of this question, option number C. Option number C is the, according to question, the correct answer of this question, option number, Meghalaya is the right answer. And according to options, the correct answer of this question, option number C. Okay guys, and we are discussing few points of this question. Bihar Library Legislation Act founded in the year of 2007. Manipur is the 1988, and Meghalaya was not initiated Library Legislation Act, and Maharashtra was founded in the year of 1967. Okay guys, next question of this test series is it is the most important question and very commonly asked in library examinations. List 1 is Library Act, list 2 is year of enactment. First is the Andhra Pradesh Public Library Act, second is the Maharashtra Public Library Act, third is the West Bengal Public Library Act, fourth is the Karnataka Public Library Act. Options are 1965, 1967, 1960 and 1979. The options are these given. So Tick the correct answer, guys, quickly and fast. The correct answer of this question, option number A. Option number A is the option number A is the A is third. Okay, guys, A is third, B is second, B is second, and West Bengal Public Library Act is D. Sorry. Andhra Pradesh Public Library Act was initiated in the year of 1960. Maharashtra Public Library Act was initiated in the year of 1967, and West Bengal Public Library Act in the year of 1979, and last is the Karnataka Public Library Act is the 1965. The right answer of this questions. So guys, next question is the question number 7th. 7th question are list 1 is reference book and list 2nd is the publishers. University Handbook, National Union Catalogue of Scientific Serials in India, Library and Information Science Abstracts, Cumulative Book Index, and publishers are Indian National Scientific Documentation Centers, INSDOC, Bowker-Shore, H.W. Wilson, Association of Indian Universities. Tick the correct answer, guys, quickly and fast. The correct answer of this question, option number D. Option number D is the option number D is D is fourth. Okay, so D is fourth, yani A is fourth. University is handbook is denoted by publisher India Association of Indian Universities. Then National Union Catalogue of Scientific Serials in India is denoted by INSDOC. Third is Library and Information Science Abstract was Bowker-Shore, and fourth is the Cumulative Book Index was H.W. Wilson. So correct answer of this question, option number D. Question number 8 is the list 1 is type of indexing system and list 2 is the authors. Chain indexing, uniterm indexing, precise and citation indexing. Author is Dirk Austin, Eugene Garfield, S.R. Ranganathan, and Mortimer Tobey. The options are these given. Tick the correct and right answer, guys. The right answer of this question, option number A. Option number A is the denoted by A is third. So A is third is chain indexing, author by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Then uniterm indexing is developed and author is Mortimer Tobey. Then precise is developed by Dirk Austin, and fourth is the citation indexing developed by and published by this author Eugene Garfield. These are correct answer, guys. Okay, next is the question number 9. Ninth question is the list 1 is mode of subject formation, list 2 is subjects. The A is fusion, B is distillation, third is loss of assemblage, and fourth is the lamination. Subject is the management, second is mathematics of force engineers, third is library classification, fourth is biophysics. So tick the correct and right answer, guys. The correct answer of this question, option number B. Option number B is denoted by A is fourth, यानी fusion is denoted by biophysics. It is a part of biophysics subject. Second is the B, distillation is a part of management. Okay. Third is the loose assembles is a part of mathematics for engineers. And fourth is the lamination is the part of library classification. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoy the test series and our video lecture series. Guys, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for new update and news videos. So guys, we are forwarding the next question of this test series, question number 10th. Question number 10th is a list 1 is denoted by publications and list 2 is denoted by publishers. The term of library trends, and option number B is information day and tomorrow. Option number C is science citation index, and D is dissertation abstracts internationals. Publishers are NISAT, Institute of Scientific Information, University Microfilm International, and fourth is the University of Illinois. The options are given. Tick the correct and right answer, guys. The correct answer of this question, option number A. Option number A is the denoted by A is A. Library Trend is a publisher of Nissan. Information Today and Tomorrow is publisher by University of Illinois. Science Citation Index published by sorry guys, we are doing a few mistakes. Option number A is the correct answer of this question, and we are discussing the option A is the library trend is published by University of Illinois. B is the information today and tomorrow published by NISAT, and science citation index is the publishers by Indian Institute of Scientific Information, and last is the dissertations abstract international was publishers by University Microfilm Internationals. Okay guys, and next question is the list 1 is the items and list 2 is the uses. It is the most important question and ask many NET examinations, so read carefully guys and watch now. Option number A is the vacuum tube. Option number B is the floppy disk. Option number C is the CD-ROM, and option number D is the transistor. The uses are: first is the optical storage devices, second is the used in first generation computers, third is the used in second generation computer, fourth is the magnetic storage devices. The codes are available is that tick the correct and right answer guys. The right answer of this question, option number A. Option number A is denoted by the vacuum tube is used in the generation of first computer. The A option is denoted by second. Floppy disk used by magnetic storage devices. CD-ROM is a part of optical storage devices, and transistor used by second generation of computer. Okay guys, next is the question number 12th. Question number 12th is a list of library network and institute, and second is the locations of theirs: OCLC, JNET, ERNET and International Development Research Center. The locations are UK, Canada, USA and India. Tick the correct and right answer, guys. These are given options, so tick the correct answer. The correct answer of this question, option number C. Option number C is denoted by, according to options, is A is third. So OCLC is located in USA. It is full form of Online Computer Learning Center. Option B is JNET. JNET is located in UK. Third is EARNet. EARNet is located in India, Education and Research Network. Fourth is International Development Research Center is located in Canada. Next question of this test series is question number 13. 13 question is most important question. Read the guys. The questions are given list 1 and list 2 types. The first list of this question, reference books category given. A is the directory, B is annual, C is bibliography and D is news digest. And list second was given name of the reference book. The reference book's name is the first is Information Please Almanac, second is the Kazin Records of World Events, third is Encyclopedia of Association, fourth is Publishers Weekly. The options are given this code. Tick the correct and right answer, guys. The right answer of this question, option number A. Option number A is denoted by, according to options, A is third. Directory is the part of Encyclopedia of Association. Annual is a part of Information Please Almanac. Bibliography is a part of Publishers Weekly. And fourth is News Digest is the Kissing Records of World Events. Okay, guys. Next question is the test series. These are following reference book list 1 and second is arrangement. A is World of Learning, B is Sears list of subject heading, C is Roget International Thesaurus and D is Indian National Bibliography. Arrangement of alphabetical, classified, geographical and topical. The codes are given in the options are these, and tick the correct answer, guys. The correct answer of this question, option number A. Option number A is denoted by, according to codes, is A third. World of Learning is geographical arrangement. Sears list of subject heading is arrangement of alphabetical. Roget International Thesaurus is arrangement by topical, and last is Indian National Bibliography is arrangement by classified, basical. Okay, guys, remember these things. Last question of the test series is question number 15. 15 question is a part of two types. List 1 is forms of communication. List 2 is medium and type of theory. A is the communication barriers, B is communication medium, C is communication model and D is the communication channel. List 2 is the radio first, second is Shannon and Weaver, third is formal and fourth is the noise. The options are given in the pages, guys. Tick the correct and right answer, guys. So guys, we are matching the question according to the given examples. The communication barriers is a part of noise and the communication medium is formal and communication model is a second, Shannon and Weaver, and communication channel is a radio. The correct answer of this, guys, that question is these things. I hope you enjoy the test series and please like the test series and please share, comments and do the press bell icon for the new updates. Thank you guys